Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's class, we're going to talk about lists. So make sure you watch this video to the end. I'll show you everything you need to know about lists. Let's get started. Now, we need to create our index.html. So let's create our index.html. So let's do that. So open this tab and create what? Index.html. So now please, if you don't understand what I mean by housekeeping over here, which I already did mine, make sure you watch my first video. So now let's write our HTML boilerplate. I'll be using the shortcut because I'm lazy. So now we want to talk about lists. Now we have three types of lists in HTML. We have another list, we have other lists, we also have a description list. Now let me actually make an example for you. So let me write example.txt. So now we have Williams. So let me zoom in. So now we have Williams. So if Williams is actually going to market, let's say for instance, if Williams is going to market, Williams is going to jot down everything he's going to get in the market so that Williams don't make any mistake, or so that Williams don't forget anything. So now let's say Williams is going to be like, okay, food list. So now Williams can be like, okay, fine, 1 should be rice, 2 should be apple, 3 should be orange. So now we know so well that everything that Williams jots is actually in order, because we know so well this is 3. So now let's say Ibrahim. So if Ibrahim is going to the market, Ibrahim wants to write everything he's going to get in the market. So Ibrahim can be like, okay, apple. So this one is going to be what? Pizza. Then this one is going to be what? Orange. Now we know so well that this one is in order, why this one is not in order. Now this one, we call this one is in what is called what? Order list. Why this one is called on order list? This one is in order list because we actually know that Williams is writing 1, 2, 3, but they're actually achieving the same thing. We know that they're actually achieving the same thing, but the difference is just that this one is in order, while this one is in what? On order. So now let's come back to our HTML. Now this is what I want you guys to observe. So li, if I have li, so let me go live, open with live server. So let's do that quick. So open with live server. Now keep it back in your mind, li we always come with a bullet point. Li means list items. Are you guys with me? Li means these are our list items. This is also a list items. So now let's come back over here. Li means what? List items. So li we always come with a bullet point by default. So now it depends on the parent. Li depends on. So li is going to be like, now if we have ul, so now if I take this, put it inside here, are you guys with me? So now li is going to know so well that, oh, my parent is on order, so I don't need to make it to be 1, 2, 3. So now let's say this one should be apple. So li, this one should be what? Orange. Why li, this one should be what? Mango. So now this one is what we call what? Another list. Are you guys with me? So now we can actually say, so we actually use this, for navbar. So now we use this for navbar. I get keep back with my, we actually use this one for navbar because it's actually on order list. So this one is called what? List items. What if I actually want this to start from what? From 0. Are you guys with me? So now most developers out there don't know that. So we can see type. So type, okay. Type should be what? Circle. Now observe. Can you see that it's actually changed to what? Circle. So now we also have order list as well. So order list as well. So this is OL, which is what? The order list. So now if I'm passing li, now look what is going to happen. Pay attention. Can you see it starts with what? 1, because this li knows so well that, okay, my parent is what? Is order list. So li is going to be like, okay, I have to make sure it starts from what? 1. So I can make this one should be, so I can say this one should be apple. Let's just copy everything over here. Let's achieve the same thing. So let's copy everything. So let me paste it here. Can you see that? Now we have what called nested list. Nested what? Nested list. So if I say OLLI, what number do you think this one is going to start from? So now let's go Ctrl S. Can you see start from what? 1. So this one is called what? Nested list. So now what if I want this to start from what? What if I want it to start from, let's say, 10 or 20? So we're going to make use of what? Start. So now if I say start from what? 10, you see it's going to start from, but I say start from what? 20, so it's still going to work. Now we can also use another method. So let me just copy and paste this. Okay, so let me do that here. So let me take this one off. Now what if I want to start from letter? So I can say type. So you just come over here like type should be what? Hey. Then so now look, can you see that? So start from what? So let's say this one should be 3. Now you see what? A B C. So A B. So skip 3. So it's going to start from C D E F. What if I want to start from 1? So it's going to start from A B C D. So now let's talk about description what? Description list. So let's talk about what? Description list as well. So now we actually, if you ask me when to use description list, you can actually use, I have not used description list before, but if you are thinking when you are going to use description list, you should use it in a scenario whereby you actually want to send a letter to the user, maybe anytime the user comes to your website. So we actually use this one for what? For navbar. But the default one is going to be bullet point. So let me take this off. So the default one is going to come with a what? With a bullet point as well. So now let's make use of what? We should make use of what? DL. So DL stands for what? Description list. We also have DT. DT is for the terms and the name. So we can say dear user. Can you see that? So I can come over here and make use of what? DD. That is the what? Description. So this tag description, the terms and the name. So now this is actually the description. So I can write lorem. So can you see that? So now this is everything you need to know about HTML. This is everything you need to know about list in HTML. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe so that I'll keep making good videos like this. See you next time.